Hello students, welcome to the class 2nd EVS class. Today I will explain you about your first and the second chapter that I have taught you earlier, but I will conclude it today. So your first chapter was about my family. This chapter was all around one boy named as Krish. Krish had parents and a sister. His father was a doctor and his mother was a teacher, and he had a sister whose name was Tina. They both studied in the same school, and Krish's father helped his mother in all her works like cooking and cleaning, and Tina and Krish also helps them. Now next paragraph is that Krish explains about his surname. His surname was Sharma, and he says that he also had a cousins named as Sin and Harry. They both also have a same surname, common name Sharma. For example, it was Krish Sharma, Sin Sharma and Harry Sharma. And he tells us that all the students or all the persons have a common name or a surname with their respective names like Khan, Gandhi, Ansari. These all are the surnames. As Krish had a surname as Sharma. Krish also tells us about the two types of family. First was a small family and second was a joint family. Where in a family where parents, children live together are called a small family, and in a family where all the members live together, like when uncle, aunt, grandparents and cousins live together, it is called a joint family. And it is so much fun to live in a family, whether it is a joint family or it is a small family. So this was about your first chapter summary. Now we will move to the exercise part of the first chapter. So here it is. First is tick the correct option. His surname was, Krish's surname was Sharma. Joint family made by uncle, grandparents, aunt or all of these. So all of these. These all make a joint family. Krish's mother is a teacher, businessman, doctor, maid. So Krish's mother was a teacher. Next is filling the blanks. Papa helps mummy in cooking and cleaning. My father is a doctor. Parents and children make a family. We study in same school. We help each other in the work at home. Next is true false. Krish lives with his parents and sister. True. Krish's father is a teacher. False, because his father was a doctor. My family is a small family. True. Papa helps mummy in cooking and cleaning. True. Tina does not help mama. False. Now last exercise is about answer the following question. What is a family? When parents and children live together, it is called a family. Who teaches us at home? Our parents teaches us at home. Do you live in a family? A small family or a joint family? So I live in a joint family. It's according to you. You live whether in a joint family or a small family. This was all about your first chapter. Now we will move to the next chapter. So our next chapter is our houses. So in this chapter I have told you about your three basic needs: food, clothes and house. What Why do we need a house? Because it protects us from heat, cold, rain and wind, and it saves us from wild animals and thieves. What is a kacha house? A house which is made up of wood, straw, mud and stone are called kacha houses. These kinds of houses are mainly found in the village area. What is a pakka house or a permanent house? A house made of using cement, wood, steel and stone is a pakka house or a permanent house. These do not break easily. This is a sloping kind of house. This type of a house is needed in those areas where there is a heavy rainfall or snowfall. This is a castle or a palace where kings and queens live. This is a tent house where we live for a short period of time. This is a flat or a multi-story building. When in a one multi-story building, number of houses are built, that is called a flat. We should have a sunlight and a fresh air coming inside our house easily. We should not throw waste in our house or outside our house. We should always throw all the waste materials in the dustbin. We should plant more and more trees and plants near our house. So this was about your chapter. Now we will move to the exercise of the second chapter. So first is tick the correct option. Our basic needs are food, clothes, house, all of these. So all these three are our basic need. So we will tick on all of these. Number 2, we should keep our house dirty, ugly, clean, none of these. So we should keep our house clean. We should throw all the waste materials only in the dustbin. Kacha houses are made up of straw, mud, wood, all of these. So with all of these three we can make a kacha house. So we will take on all of these. Now next is your fill in the blanks. We should grow trees and plants near our house. Our house should be suitable for our needs. Pakka houses do not break easily. Kings live in palaces and castles. Match the following. We will match permanent house with a pakka house, kacha house with wood, straw, mud or stone, waste materials with dustbin, and kings live in a palace and castle. Next is fill in the right, true or false. Kacha houses in the city. Kacha houses are found in the city. False. Pakka houses can be broken easily. False. Food, clothes and house are our basic needs. True. We should keep our houses clean. True. Next is answer the following question. What is a kacha house? The kacha house made of wood, straw, mud and stone are called kacha houses. Second is, what are flats? When many houses are built in one multi-story building, they are called flat. Third, which roof are seen in places they get heavy rainfall? Sloping roofs are seen in the places they get heavy rains. Where did kings live? Kings live in palaces and castles. So students, this was about your first and second chapter exercises. So as I have completed my 2 chapters, so there will be a test in the next week from all these 2 chapters. So please learn all the exercises, true, false, fill in the blanks, tick the correct option and question answers. Learn all these exercises and please buy your books and copies and do all your homework now in your fair copies, as all the shops are open, so you can buy your new copies and books, and you can even complete your work in your fair copies, and all your homeworks will be checked when school will reopen. Thank you, students, and please learn all this. Thank you.